You're from across the world, Joey Jones, on the road. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Well, first, let me say congratulations to all the ones that passed and obtained the CDLs. There's a lot of drivers out there. There's a lot of companies that have new drivers, you know, and because I've been blessing a lot of people. You know, it's a blessing for me to help a lot of people. You know, I really do enjoy helping people. I have no problem answering my phone call. I don't have no problem answering my emails for any questions that you have, and you have a question on YouTube. I have no problem at all answering you, man. And there's a lot of people, and it's a blessing because I know how I feels. I know I've been there, I done it, I did it, and it was a blessing for me to learn. You know, what is it to become a truck driver? You know, studying, going to school, meeting new people, going across, seeing the valleys, you know, across the United States. It was a good experience for me, and that's what I do. I share what it takes to become a professional truck driver. Okay, so today I perform a maneuver on a day cab. A lot of you has asked me, Joey, can you do a video on a day cab? Absolutely, and I did it today. The only thing that I had was having issues was because I did use an external microphone, and the external microphone was picking up the sounds of the loose chair, the rattling noise, the plastic, you know, the compartments shaking inside, the engine. So I did it twice. I did it without the microphone, and I did it with the microphone. With the microphone was a lot better, but you can still hear the background noise, the engine noise. That's why I don't like day cab, because they are so loud inside, you can't barely hear yourself when you talk. So I did it, and hopefully you can enjoy it. Okay, my people? So don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. I'm on a day cab right now. For those who don't know, when I'm looking forward, it's 12 o'clock. Behind me is 6 o'clock. Towards my right, it's 3 o'clock. Towards my left, it's 9 o'clock. So we're gonna do a 3 and a 12. When you're gonna back in, what I like to do is I like to guide my tandems, okay? See your tandems? Your tandems. I like to guide my tandems and bring them in on this side of the line, okay? So when you're coming in, you want to come in on this side of the line. Use that line as a guide, and if there's not a painted line on the floor, try to get a piece of stick or something to have you guide. So that there, it's about 2 feet or so, which is good. Same thing on this side, so you should be all right. So yeah, use that line as your guide, so when you're coming in, your 2 rear tires of the trailer should be coming in this way, and that's your guide. Okay, here we go. Make sure nobody's coming. 1, 2, 3. Bumper at the edge of the last trailer. Okay. Now we're going 3 o'clock. Try to go to 3 o'clock. As much as you can. Try to go as further as you can. As far as you can. That's what you want to see. Now we are going to open the gap a little bit, which is towards the left. Then I'm going to start to close the gap. See the line? Same setup. Now you start to open the gap. Now you start to open the gap. Little by little. I'm not used to the day cab. I'm used to the sleeper. gap. Open your gap. Stop. Pull forward. Just to line up your back. See? Just straighten up a little bit. See your tendons on the line? Try to do that. Open the gap. You can do as much as pull-ups as you want. Just want to be on the safe side, okay? Then open it. Open it. Straight back. Close it, close it, close it. There you go. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've been down to the rail yard. But yeah, that's basically what it is, see? Yeah, they have a lot. Pump the brakes. Yeah, see? See, that's exactly what you want to do. You want to try to keep the tandems inside the line. Alright, my people? Stay safe. Be safe. God bless you, all of y'all. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Later.